Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English Mastery Hub. I'm Tom, and I am very happy to see you today. I hope you are ready and excited to improve your English. If you want to speak English fluently, easily, and with confidence, you are in the right place. Many students ask me, Tom, how can I improve my English fast? I tell them, learning English is not magic. It is a journey. A journey you can take with small, simple steps every day. Today, I will show you the 21-day English challenge. It is easy to follow and anyone can do it, even if you are a beginner. This challenge will help you improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence. You will practice English every day in a simple way. Small steps every day lead to big results. So get ready, my friend. I will guide you step by step. Remember, if you enjoy this lesson, subscribe to English Mastery Hub. Every video will help you become better, more confident, and fluent in English. Let's start this journey together. Many learners try to study English, but they feel stuck. They study grammar again and again. They watch many videos. They try speaking for a few days, and then they stop. When they want to talk, the words do not come. When they listen to fast English, it feels too difficult. They feel lost, slow, or confused. This is very common, and it happens to many people. But here's the truth, my friend. You are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world feel the same. They also feel shy. They also feel afraid of mistakes. They also feel that English is hard. But their problem is not their ability. Their problem is that they do not have a clear, simple system to follow. This is why the 21-day English challenge works so well. It gives you one small step every day. Not too big, not too difficult. Just one simple task. Every day, you build new habits. Every day, your brain learns something new. Every day, you become a little better. In these 21 days, you will focus on the most important skills. You will build your vocabulary because words give you power to speak. You will practice listening because good listening makes speaking easier. You will practice speaking even if you practice alone. You will grow your confidence step by step. You will create daily English habits that help you learn naturally. Small steps every day create big changes. Just like water drops fill a big bucket, small daily actions will build your fluency. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to learn everything in one day. You only need to continue. Day by day, you will feel improvement. Day by day, English will feel easier. This challenge will help you build discipline, motivation, and a strong English routine. And when you follow this plan, you will see real progress in a very short time. You will feel proud of yourself. You will see that you can learn English and you can succeed. Remember, small daily practice creates big results. You can do this. You are ready. Stage 1 is the foundation of your English journey. These first 7 days are very important because they build the base of your speaking, listening, and thinking. When your foundation is strong, everything becomes easier. Each day is simple, clear, and easy to follow. You only need a few minutes, but you must do it every day. Daily practice is the key. Let's begin with Day 1. Day 1 is all about present tenses. Present tenses help you talk about your daily life, your habits, and the things happening right now. Without present tenses, it is very hard to speak about yourself. For example, you can say, I wake up at 7. You can say, I study English every day. Or you can say, she works in a shop. These sentences are simple, but they are very important. You also learn the present continuous tense. This is for things happening at this moment. For example, I am watching this video, or you are learning English now. Both tenses are used many times every day. Your task for today is to speak 5 sentences about your daily routine. Say them slowly and clearly. You can say them to yourself. This helps your brain learn fast. Day 2 is about past tenses. Past tenses help you talk about yesterday, last week, or old memories. You use them when you want to tell stories or explain something that happened before. For example, I went to the market, or I watched a movie, or she cooked dinner. These sentences tell your listener about your past actions. Learning the past tense helps you share your experiences. Your task today is simple. Say 3 sentences about what you did yesterday. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak. Day 3 teaches you future tenses. Future tenses help you talk about plans, dreams, and goals. You use them when you want to tell someone what you will do later. For example, I will study English tonight. Or, I'm going to read an English book. Or, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. These sentences help you talk about your future in a clear way. Today, say 3 sentences about your future plans. It can be about tomorrow, next week, or even next year. Day 4 is your vocabulary boost day. Vocabulary is your power. The more words you know, the more you can say. Today, you learn 20 useful words. Words like improve, routine, create, continue, and confident. These words help you speak better and express yourself more clearly. Your task is to make 1 sentence with each new word. This helps your brain remember the words better. Do not skip this task. It is very important. Day 5 is one of the most important days. Today you practice thinking in English. Translation slows your brain. When you translate every sentence from your language to English, your speaking becomes slow. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more naturally. Today's task is simple. Think 10 small English thoughts. For example, I'm tired, or I'm hungry, or I feel good. Do not translate. Let your brain think directly in English. This is a big step toward fluency. Day 6 is about remembering new words. Many learners forget words after 1 day, but there is a simple method to stop forgetting. Use each new word 5 times. For example, take the word improve. You can say, I want to improve my English. My English is improving. I will improve every day. This video helps me improve. I practice to improve my skills. When you repeat a word many times, your brain saves it. Today, choose 5 new words and use each one 5 times. This method works very well. Day 7 is listening practice day. Good listening makes good speaking. When you listen more, you understand more. You learn pronunciation, rhythm, and natural expressions. Today, listen to English for 10 minutes. You can listen to a video, a podcast, or even a story. It does not need to be fast or difficult. Just listen and enjoy the sound of English. Listening every day helps you speak with more confidence and more clarity. These first 7 days build your English foundation. You learn tenses, vocabulary, thinking skills, and listening skills. You start speaking slowly and naturally. You begin to feel more confident. Remember, small steps every day create big success. Keep going, keep practicing, and trust the process. You are doing great, my friend. Stage 2 is all about speaking and fluency. In this stage, you learn how to use English with your voice, your ears, and your confidence. Many learners know grammar, but they cannot speak. They feel shy, scared, or unsure. This stage helps you remove that fear. It teaches you how to practice speaking in simple ways every day. These 7 days will make your English more natural, more confident, and more real. Let's begin with Day 8. Day 8 is Shadowing Day. Shadowing is a simple and powerful method. You listen to a sentence and you speak at the same time. You copy the sound, the tone, the rhythm. This helps your pronunciation and fluency. For example, you can say, I wake up early. I drink water. I take a shower. I go to work. When you shadow these sentences, your mouth learns how to move. Your voice becomes stronger. Your speaking becomes smoother. Today, your task is to shadow 20 to 50 sentences. You can use any simple English video. Just listen and repeat. Do it slowly and calmly. This exercise can change your speaking in a few days. Day 9 is Self-Introduction Day. Introducing yourself is one of the most important skills in English. You need it everywhere, in class, in meetings, in interviews, and when you meet new people. Today, you learn a simple and easy template. For example, my name is Zay. I'm 25 years old. I live in Pakistan. I'm an international English teacher. My goal is to speak English confidently. You can change the information to match your life. Your task today is to record a 30-second introduction. Speak slowly. Smile. Listen to your recording. This will help you see your progress. Day 10 focuses on confidence. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Many learners wait for perfect grammar before speaking, but this is a big mistake. You must speak first, and confidence will grow later. Today, you learn 3 simple tips. First, speak slowly. When you speak slowly, your words become clear. Second, use easy words. Simple English is powerful. Third, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Your task today is to talk for 1 minute about any topic. You can talk about your day, your family, your job, or your dreams. Just speak for 1 full minute. Day 11 teaches you idioms. Idioms make your English sound natural and interesting. They also help you understand real conversations. For example, break the ice means to start a conversation. A piece of cake means something is very easy. Under the weather means feeling sick or tired. These idioms are used every day by native speakers. When you learn idioms, you sound more fluent. Today, just practice using these idioms in simple sentences. This will make your speaking more colorful. Day 12 is about understanding fast English. Real English is fast. When you hear fast English for the first time, it feels difficult. But here is a secret. You do not need to understand every word. You only need to understand the meaning. When you focus on meaning, your brain learns faster. Today's task is to watch 5 minutes of fast English. It can be a video, a movie clip, or a podcast. Listen once with subtitles. Then listen again without them. You will understand more each time. Day 13 teaches you English habits. Habits are the key to long-term success. When you make English a part of your daily life, improvement becomes easy. Today, you learn 7 helpful habits: daily listening, daily reading, shadowing, thinking in English, writing a short journal, speaking practice, and staying consistent. You do not need all 7. Your task is to choose 3 habits and follow them every day. These habits will support your learning even after the 21 days end. Day 14 introduces the 80-20 rule. This rule says that 20% of your study gives you 80% of your results. This means you must focus on useful English only. Do not waste time on difficult grammar rules or rare vocabulary. Focus on daily vocabulary, real sentences, simple grammar, and natural listening. When you learn what you really need, your progress becomes faster. Today's task is to remove time-wasting topics. Focus only on the English that helps you speak and understand better.
Stage 3 is a very important stage. In this stage, you start using your English in real situations. You speak more, you listen more, and you understand more. You begin to feel stronger and more confident. You do not think too much. You just try, you speak, and you learn. Every day in this stage helps you grow. Every day gives you more skills. Let's walk through each day slowly and simply. Day 15 is about the monologue method. This method is very simple. You speak alone. You speak without stopping. You do not worry about grammar. You do not worry about mistakes. You only focus on speaking and expressing your ideas. For example, you can choose a topic like my city, my daily routine, or my dreams. Then you speak for 1 full minute. Even if you stop, continue again. The goal is to keep your mouth moving. The more you speak, the easier speaking becomes. This practice builds confidence and fluency. When you speak alone every day, your brain starts thinking in English more naturally. Day 16 is about beginner listening. Beginner listening means listening to easy English. The sentences are short. The speaking speed is slow. The topics are simple. For example, I wake up. I wash my face. I go to school. When you listen to simple English, your ears learn the basic sounds of English. Your brain learns common patterns. This helps you understand everyday conversations. The task for this day is to listen to slow English for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is not too long, but it is enough to train your listening muscles little by little. Day 17 is intermediate listening. This is the next step. Now the English is a little faster. The sentences are longer. The ideas are bigger. For example, many people want to improve English, but do not know the right method. You may not understand every word, and that is okay. You only focus on the main idea. When you listen to medium-speed English, you teach your brain to understand real daily English. The task is to listen to medium-speed English for a short time. You can choose a small video or an audio clip. Do not pause every second. Let the words flow. When you listen to medium-speed English, you build a bridge to clear understanding. Day 18 is advanced listening. This is a strong challenge. Fast English is real English. People speak quickly in movies, in interviews, and in conversations. You will not understand everything, but you will understand something, and that is enough. Confidence comes from trying. True confidence comes from expressing your thoughts clearly and calmly.